with a scar on the earth. To build for a giant, we must first master the bedrock.
We are removing 400,000 cubic tons of prehistoric rock to reach the stable shelf below. Coordination is key. The weight of the castle requires a foundation pinned directly to the tectonic plate. Safety is our first hurdle. Any loose stone is a potential death sentence for the crew below.
The rock here is harder than expected, requiring specialized diamond-tipped breakers.
10 meters down, the machines uncover a geological anomaly, a subterranean void.
But it isn't just rock. We've found remains, bones that defy modern biology.
The site is now an archaeological marvel and an engineering nightmare.
We work around the artifacts. This castle is being built on the graveyard of its predecessors.
The schedule doesn't stop. We shift to 24-hour cycles to clear the primary footprint.
Every bucket load takes us closer to the plenum, the zero point of the castle. More artifacts. The machines are unearthing a forgotten war. Cleaning the rock reveals the natural fractures we must grout and seal.
We are wiring the mountain itself to monitor the pressure of the upcoming structure.
Nature fights back. We must divert this flow without compromising the cliff's integrity.
The castle will overhang the Mediterranean. Its roots must go beneath the waves.
The platform is finally level. The giant seat is ready. We waste nothing. The mountain we took down will become the concrete we put back up. The heavy lifters arrive. The transition from destruction to creation begins. Precision at this scale is measured in millimeters, even when using 100-ton machines.
We find footprints of the ancients. Our machines now follow their path.
Preservation and progress live side by side.
The excavation phase is 90% complete. The Earth has been conquered. A stadium-sized hole in the world, waiting for a heart of stone. Phase 1 complete. Now, we pour the soul of the castle.
The pour begins. A continuous stream of high-strength basalt concrete.
We are pumping liquid stone 200 meters down to the base footings.
Eliminating air pockets is vital. The pressure at the base will be immense.
These aren't just walls. They are the anchors for the labyrinth.
On-site fabrication ensures every joint is hermetically sealed.
The geometry is inspired by the Fibonacci sequence, optimized for wind resistance.
We use a mix that grows stronger when exposed to the salty sea air.
We honor the history we found, burying a record of our own struggle.
The walls are 6 meters thick. Even a tank couldn't breach these lower wards.
Modern logistics meets Bronze Age ambition.
No mortar is used for the outer skin. Gravity and friction are our only adhesives.
The Cretan winter tests our resolve, but the concrete must be kept at a stable temperature.
Below the castle lies a network of service tunnels and cisterns. A single floor span the size of a football pitch, reinforced with carbon fiber.
These twin pillars weigh 80 tons each. The cranes are at their absolute limit. Artistry begins, even as the heavy lifting continues.
Building at this scale requires a skeleton that will eventually be removed.
Even the open spaces are engineered for perfect drainage. Ancient techniques aided by hydraulic jacks to ensure the perfect curve.
We are knitting the steel and stone together into a singular organism.
The labyrinth begins to hide its secrets.
a secondary barrier against the rising Mediterranean tides.
From the air, the castle looks like a giant gear set into the cliff.
Locking the structure into the mountain's embrace.
The base is set. Now we reach for the clouds.
We are entering the vertical phase.
Precast segments allow us to build the complex geometry of the labyrinth in weeks, not years. Diamond grit blades are changed every 6 hours to maintain surgical precision.
Even during construction, the local wildlife begins to claim the high ground.
A castle for the modern age requires hidden technology within its ancient bones.
This single stone holds the structural integrity of the entire east wing.
Life finds a way into the stone. We build around the residence.
The castle must breathe to survive the humid sea breezes.
A masterpiece of engineering, suspended by high-tension cables during installation.
Invisible protection against the corrosive salt spray.
Modern eyes for a megalithic build.
We are building the heart of the castle, 50 meters above the sea.
The mountain remains a pasture, even as it becomes a palace. Form meets function in every architectural detail.
Every detail is scaled for giants, requiring machines to even move the trim.
The castle begins to close its eyes to the wind.
Hidden technology to ensure the castle sways but never breaks during an earthquake.
Bringing the mountain's flora into the architecture.
Scale is finally apparent. We have built a new peak on the island.
Everything is built to an impossible human scale. The structure now stands on its own. The transition to a finished home begins.
The white castle of Crete begins to glow with its own light.
Topping out. The skeleton is complete.
The castle gets its armor. The roof will weather to a sea green over the decades. The transition from construction site to palatial interior.
Decorating at scale requires the same machines used for the foundation.
The history of the site returns to its rightful place.
The labyrinth is now secure. The castle can be sealed.
Creating a paradise on the edge of the abyss.
An ancient silhouette powered by the Mediterranean sun. Built by man for the memory of giants. The castle is connected to the world by land, air, and sea. A beacon for sailors and a testament to engineering. Every inch is checked for the final time. The castle is now watertight. The machines are leaving. The creator departs, leaving the creation behind.
The echo of the machines is replaced by the roar of the ocean.
It looks as if it grew from the cliff itself. A museum of the impossible.
From here, you can see the curve of the earth.
Quality that will last 1,000 years.
The new king of the heights has arrived.
The Mediterranean tries to reclaim the stone. but the castle stands firm. Man's greatest addition to the Cretan landscape. We remember what came before. We have built at impossible scale. We have built for the ages. The giant's castle is complete.